Hello and welcome to the Bobber Explains. New Stackwipe exploit in EU4 patch 1.34. So you may know the standard and most simple of the Stackwipe rules is the 10-to-1 rule. That if you attack someone and your army outsizes them by a factor of 10, so we've got more than 30 when they've got only 3, doesn't matter the fact that they've got Tech 32 and we've got Tech 3, you Stackwipe. Right? Done. However, there is a second kind of stack wiping that applies when two armies fight and one side's army, before the may not retreat period is up, either if the entire front row runs out of morale or is entirely killed before that period, you can have a second kind of stack wipe. This is the kind of stack wipe that we will be abusing. We will be doing this by intentionally lowering our own morale. Take as an example, equal tech, 2-to-1. If I attack, don't care about that. If I attack this combat, it's probably going to last longer than the minimum period. So neither side wins decisively, and we both have an unpleasant time and drain my manpower pool. Instead, if you intentionally lower your own morale, you can wipe that enemy. So here, same conditions, nothing's changed, except that we're going to intentionally lower our own morale. Let the month pass, our morale drops from 2.5 to 0.5. Now what this means is when we attack Poland, our own units are going to morale break, but because we still outnumber them 2-to-1, and we all morale break before the mandatory retreat period is completed, we wipe them. We outnumbered them 2-to-1, and even though we morale broke, we wiped the enemy. You can use this to stack wipe enemy armies pretty much on demand if you are willing to micro your army size to be at least 2 times theirs, preferably with a little bit of buffer so that if they kill slightly more of yours whilst you're doing this trick, you don't suddenly drop down below the outnumber ratio. And also if you're willing to micro your maintenance slider. Good luck. Enjoy wiping all your enemies' armies. It's fantastic fun.